Buhari, he don't Buhari la country.
Even the virus itself is created by God.
So me, I believe the 1.5 billion Dangote gave, he knew that money will not get to me and you.
And I heard that they want to extend it. They better don't extend it because this thing will result. Everybody can even die. It can even cause war.
No, I'm sorry to say the whole pastor of Nigeria, they are not performing their duty. You understand me? The pastor of Kokotoba should now 1 million. For issue of one local government.
I don't think this thing can occur. This kind of situation can occur during my own regime. No, this is my own regime. Coming to war, coming to life.
That man died in hunger. He said he's very hungry, that there is no food. He went out to look for food. Along the way, he just collapsed and died. He said, God, that he has died is because of food.
This coronavirus, if na poor person, they sick with coronavirus. If na poor person die, say they go know the place where he stay die.
But the virus is not here.
Everybody want to buy favor from the federal government. Even the individual who are donating money to the federal government, how many of them have go to their community and give them money? The religious leaders, there are some people in their church who cannot be able to feed even 1 square meal at this point in time. So how then they carry money and go and give to the federal government without giving people in their church to start first, then to the community where they have their church, the community where they have their church, and they're giving federal government money. The money they give federal government for what? You should take care of your own people. There's a lot of them there. That's what that people who need the help outside their church. You reach out to them. You're giving it to federal government for what? What benefit? Sometimes I just look at them and say, these people do they have something upstairs? People are, if you go to some church, you will see people coming down begging, asking for help, and you're carrying the money and giving to federal government. Does it make sense? It does not make any sense at all. For me, it doesn't make sense. And the same people who will come and pay tithe tomorrow, you tell them to pay tithe, you tell them to contribute to the development of the church. And today now, the need for you to help them have arise. You are giving the money to the federal government. On what purpose?
Well, the national lockdown, in my opinion, is a great idea. But I can say that the government has been failing its citizens for a very long time, regime after regime, administration after administration. Because it's a very shameful thing and a letdown to Nigerian leaders that most of them till now, this age and time, Nigeria as a nation, great nation in Africa, we don't have data. Yes, they want to share palliative. How would they do that? Where would they start from in the first place? We don't have data. Americans gave their citizens $1,000 each. Over 300 million people, they received it within 2 days. Because they have data. Once your name is queued in the system, information about you comes out. Dead man information will comes out deceased. So they won't give that person. But how would they start? If they decide to give to less privileges, how many less privilege would they give to? Now if they decide to give through BVN, like they are wanting to, the people that have lower amount in their account, bank says it's over 40 million Nigerians that have BVN. Let's say out of that 40 million, 25 million are disqualified because they have maybe plenty, huge amount in there. What about those who don't have bank account? What will you tell them? It's a shameful thing. And okay, in Abuja, I can be precise. There's a place they call Gishiri in Abuja. After Mabuchi, you get Gishiri. Federal government sent people to go and give palliative to them. To everybody's greatest surprise, they came with 5 healers. I have the video with me. When they came, people gathered. They say social distancing. Now, thousands of people gathered. All of a sudden, they will come to you and say, what's the account number? You call. They'll say, Sheikh, did you receive a lot? You say, yes. Oh, thank you, federal government. And you, what's your bank? They did it for 10 people.
After that, they cut their camera. Yes, they cut their camera, stop recording. The same 10 people that were shouting, "Thank you, federal government," went back into the helos. People wanted to mob them. Then they quickly ran out from that particular vicinity. That's a very shameful thing, because you don't have data. Now you have, probably you will go and say you spent 30 million naira or 100 million naira in Gishiri when you did not spend a dime. And it's also a shameful thing to our rich men in this country. Alakija, that woman gave federal government 2 billion naira. Dangote gave 1.5 billion. Adenuga gave 1 billion. Let me bust your mind, my brother. Adenuga came from a particular local government in this country. Let's assume Adenuga don't give me the money. Go to your local government where they gave birth to you. Release that 1 billion in your entire local government. Share it among the people in that your local government. They will forever remain grateful. Dangote, don't give me the 1.5 billion. Go to Kano State. Distribute it to Kano. Alakija, go to your state. With the 2 billion, millions in your state, your home state, will benefit a lot. Why are you giving it to federal government?
Closing the religious sector is not a good idea. This virus we are talking about, there is no remedy yet, no vaccine. It's only God. When they say that the Christians, they always say God, God. Yes, God is the master of the whole universe. He created man. Everything, even the knowledge, technology, even the virus itself is created by God. At times, God will allow one plague to come to warn his people of their wrongdoing. So closing down churches will not help matter, because there we go and solicit and pray for God's intervention. But what the government should do is that churches should restrict the number of people that come to worship, in the sense that if any particular church, for instance, like the Redeemed Christian Church of God, they are holding 3 services in a Sunday, they should extend it to 5, in the sense that each service they will have like 20 or 30 church members or congregations, so that they will be able to space themselves, because it's only God that will help us.
àdúrà ló lè kí ọ̀kan tó wà lẹ̀, kò sí dọ́tọ̀ kan tó mọ nǹkan tó lè fi kí ọ ẹ̀. Ọlọ́run bá ló kàn lè forí ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ jì wá, torí nǹkan tó lọ ti pọ̀ jù. Irú sí ẹlẹ́yàmẹ̀yà bó ṣe fún wa lóúnjẹ yẹn ṣe kò circulate. Gbogbo irú ilé tán dẹ̀ sọ̀tàn ní ká ṣe mọ́lẹ̀ kò sí ẹ tó lè jókòó sí, irú èmi mi ò lè jókòó sílé. Ebi ló gbé mi jáde. So téèyàn bá jẹun kò ní ìdíkó jáde ajẹ́kọ̀ọ́ sí di tẹ́lẹ̀. Bẹ̀tẹ̀ ajá tó yóò kì í bẹ́lẹ̀ tí ò bá yóò ṣeré. Nígbà tán náà já rice sí police college, alọ́lárí àràbọ̀ lẹ́yìn ìgbà tán sanwó 2 months salary fáwọn ọlọ́pàá tán gba kíkì. Àwa kan tá a jọ ọmọ Nàìjíríà wà ń bí àkàkákiri for nothing, kò sí nǹkan táwa rí jẹ. So ẹ bá wa bẹ̀ wọ́n, tá a bá fẹ́ ká jókòó sí lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ place wa, we know what is going on in outside the country. Àmọ́ ọkọ̀ tó ń lọ in Europe, irú èmi mo bá wọn lọ Libya, mo bá wọn dé Dubai, I see what is going on there. Ilé sílé náà fún wọn lóúnjẹ, wọ́n dẹ̀ fún wọn lówó kun. Gbogbo àwọn country tá a dẹ̀ sọ gbogbo apọ̀ jù wọ́n lọ. Nigeria is a giant country in the whole Africa, but we giant for nothing sake. Tí o sí kankan tá a lè sọ pé kan tó wà, etí la fi ń gbọ́. We hear that Lagos State governor have received less than 10 billion, and we hear about the money, but there's nothing with they perform. Kò sí kankan àlọ́lárí àràbọ̀. So pé ká jókòó sílé àlá tí ò ní lè ṣe, they are just deceive themselves. A lè jókòó.
Please, we should not use in the name of Corona now to punish Nigeria. Nigerians are suffering. A lot of people are dying in hunger now. They don't have food. They are using in the name of Corona to push everybody inside. No food, no water, no drink. I'm coming out from VI now. Then I paid 3,000 naira to get to Ikeja here. Just transfer. It's policeman that carried me. So there is no commercial very good, nothing. We don't have access to anything. We heard that they are sharing food. They don't share to our house. They don't share to public. They don't share to poor people. They don't share to masses. It's only the government workers that are collecting those food. And we heard about the money that they gave. We heard about the money that they gave. This money, we don't see it. We only hear about it. And they have swallowed this money. What we want to say is that government should not use this to punish the masses.
They should know that we are moving to the future. This is the future already. In the future, robots will take over. Everybody will be inside, sleeping on your bed, right? Quarantine. We should invest in quarantine, in sanitation, in giving people antiseptic and even antiretroviral self, so that we can survive. Shogbo, they should clean everywhere. I saw them cleaning, all the cleaners. I say, I will sacrifice my food, my biscuits, Costa, I say pure water. Now, so if Nigerian government can be half corrupt, just as Cotonou went there here, just our corruption can just reduce by half. Let us be like, Cotonou is 100% corrupt, who will be 50%? Guy will be one of the richest people in the world.
I want to let them know that the two virus, the hunger virus is more than coronavirus, as far as I'm concerned. If they say it's not like that, let them stop their own salary. Let them stop their own salary and join in to make sure that every single Nigeria will not complain. Look at other countries like America. They hear that America locked down, and they hear that Canada and other countries locked down. But those people that locked down, do you know that in Canada, if you are shortage of food, you put a red flag. They will know, oh, this place, they needed something. They come for the earth. 3 days, they will go out and look for food. 3 days, they stay inside. There's a measure. This black man says it's evil. Let them tell themselves it's evil. Because they are putting many families in a death sentence. Somebody living with 5 children or 6 children without any food. And every day they tell him that coronavirus is coming. But already the person is dying with a hunger virus. We cannot wait for any man again. Yes, those states that have never tested 1 month will go ahead and test it. No. It's Lagos and Ogun, Abuja have tested it. So any other state should test, so that since I'm in Lagos speaking now, then we know what makes me to speak like that. Not only this maltreatment, we also go to North. Let them stop everything in North, lockdown for 1 month, as they have done in Lagos. So if you tell somebody in Lagos that you want to lock down again, that person will see you as evil man, because already a hungry man is an angry man.
In your compound, you have fish and meat, food in your fridge, a bag of rice in your house, and you send people to stay at home. Doing what? Now, look at what I'm holding. I'm from Agba to Sam, to go and look for what my children is going to eat. I have 4 children. Nothing. And you say I should start home. To do what? Please, Nigeria should change. All our leaders, you are very wicked. I'm saying it because I've seen what you people are doing. When they give food to go and shout to people, you people will carry it. You'll be sharing it within yourselves. And the people that say that you people should share food for, you people will not share food for those people. You will share the food within yourself, and you will video some people and go and show to go to internet and show you that you people are sharing the food, sharing the money, which is lie.
This problem we are facing from year to year is from us, human beings, personally. But I have a message for the whole world power, President and the Vice President. Their message titled in Mark 4:22. They should go and read it. And secondly, Proverbs 28 verse 13. Finally, 2 Chronicles 7 verse 14. When they read these 3 messages, they should sit together and think about their life, what they will do. Because this 3 particular message I give to you is not from me, but from heaven. Even though he's a Muslim, you should go and borrow Bible from a Christian and teach them how to open this particular 3 chapter and verses of the Bible I mentioned.
We sure hope you enjoyed this video. For more entertaining video content such as behind the scenes of music videos and movies, music concerts, premieres, interviews, and exclusive gists, subscribe now to our YouTube channel Goldmine TV and be unleashed into a world of super excitement.